Okay, so here we are at freemathprogram.com. I'm going to give you hopefully a quick walkthrough. It is easy to organize or easy to use. It's organized. Logical, index, list, text, description. Click to see the visual example of each math skill. Fast access and effective. And it goes on to talk more about it. But we, as you can see here, it says math program test is coming soon, so they don't have that just yet. However, you may not need it. Now, this can be used as a full curriculum for grades 1 through 5 for math, and I think it's a very powerful and simple program. So it's very organized, and it's broke down between 27 weeks. So let's get your first 9. Your second 9 weeks, and your third 9 weeks. And this is first grade, so they're starting with counting and writing numbers, compare and order numbers, addition, subtraction, and then the input graphs for that first quarter. And then it goes into number order, geometry, addition and subtraction, fractions, money, time, and measurement, right? So if we skip all the way up to 5th grade, just click these buttons up here to switch grades. You hit upon place value, and a lesson will look like this, and it has a previous button and a next button, or you can seamlessly move on to the next lesson. So now we're at 1B, and it's place value, but it's going to be in you have to write it in standard form, etc. So you go to the worksheet. On all of them, the worksheet is different. So let's go to the worksheet for this. Okay, so it's also place value, and it matches up with the skill that you learned, skill 5, which is 5th grade, I assume, and 1B is where we were when we clicked on the lesson, and then we have all of these that you can do. Now, or that the child can do, then you have the key. So let me tell you real quick what we do is we'll do 1 of 2 things. If we ran out of ink, we will go to settings, and we will cast this page onto the TV. And when we cast the page, we can just talk about it, or maybe I have them write it out by hand, but we'll go over it as a lesson. And then, and sometimes we'll go over the entire page depending on what it is. And then sometimes we'll just go over a few, and then I have them do the page by themselves by just looking up at the TV as if it's like a smart board or a chalkboard, as we had back in the day. So some lessons come with 1 page and the answers, and some of them come with more than 5 or 6 pages. So for free worksheets, this is pretty cool, especially how rich and detailed it is, and how you can take it and elaborate. And as a matter of fact, you can use this. You can use free math program to. You can use free math program in order for you to do full lessons, 1st grade to 5th grade, and it's completely free. You never have to pay. Okay, so if we went on to 1st grade in the first lesson, which is identifying numbers, and we clicked on the worksheet, we get this worksheet right here, and like I said, we'll put it up on the screen or we'll print it out. But I like to put it up on the screen and go over it with them and teach them the worksheet. Now that sounds like, I don't know, to some people that sounds backwards, but I like to teach them worksheet, and then I like to print the worksheet out and have them do it the next day. So that's an idea that is pretty effective, where I know that they listened, and we'll go over it again, and maybe we'll watch a video or do another exercise that is similar to whatever the skill is that we're going over, and then we'll come back and go over these again. So each lesson has like a little preview of kind of like a practice that you can use as part of your lesson. Okay, let's go to 4th grade really quick, and they have these explanations of how you can use the curriculum support. You can use it as support for your math program. The parent with confidence support, identify weak skills and areas in students, and you can use it as a full scale curriculum. So I highly recommend this as full scale curriculum for your math, okay, because it's so organized. And if nothing else, you can get to it. Let's say you go here, and it's very short, right? So I would definitely look up a lesson about this, and then I would use the worksheet to as the lesson, right? And or a video about this. Excuse me. I'll look at a video, we go over this, and show them how to do it. I would have children give them examples and help them do the first four, and then they would take off on their own. Okay. So there's plenty of places to get free worksheets, but this is nice that they have it very well organized. I highly recommend freemathprogram.com. Look for the link in the description, the bio, and make sure that you subscribe, like, and or follow us for more free programs for your homeschool students.
From comprehensive curriculum guides to educational tools and expert tips, Homeschool and All has everything you need to make your homeschooling journey a success. For more information and to access our wealth of resources, visit homeschoollandall.com today.